Hey, what's happening, guys? Dan Darrow here with another Options and Play video update. I was, this is something that came up during the day, and I wanted to like just highlight it in a video for maybe some of those of you that aren't in the VTF. And one of the things that I find helps me is not guessing when a stock is at like a consolidation or a major pivot point, right? And it's like going through a period of digestion and it's waiting to figure out what the next move is, right? So what I mean by that, and I feel like I kind of want to like use Square as an example because it came up during the day, is like not like a consolidation is when like a stock goes through like a period of contraction, right? It had like maybe a big move and then it goes through a period of contraction, whether that's people profit taking, people shorting, people buying if it dropped, right? Or people like maybe that want to get out or taking money out, right? So for whatever reason, stocks go through a consolidation, right? And the temptation is, while it's in that consolidation, is to like get in before the next major move, right? And obviously, you know that's tempting. It can be profitable if it works in your favor, but there's also plenty of opportunity, plenty of instances, and this really comes back to like options trading, where the stock might stay in that consolidation way longer than you anticipate, right? Where it might be in a consolidation for a week, and then after another month, it could still be in that consolidation. Another 2 months, it could be still in that consolidation, right? Or you think that it's going to break to the upside and ends up breaking to the downside. So the fact is, like when the stock enters like this type of consolidation, like what I do is like I watch and I wait, right? Let the stock tell me which way it wants to go. Like I put an alert at the high of the consolidation, the high of the range, and I put an alert at the low. So when it gets to either side and it looks like it's close to resolving, then I start to get more interested in it, right? So like Square had a huge move off the high. I mean, a lot of growth, momentum, whatever you want to call it. Names rolled over. It has Bitcoin exposure. It pulled back, and it was at a huge level, right? 200 has been a huge level for Square, right? Like I'll just draw a trend line here, and you can see like over like the course of like the last 5 6 months, it's been a huge support range. In addition, it's exactly where the 200A is, right? So it was a big level, and when it got down to it, just spinning around, kind of forming like a lower consolidation right around it, and I didn't know if it was a bearish setup or a bullish setup, right? Because if it broke below 200 and stayed below 200, then it could have like a significant pent up multi-month breakdown, right? On the same token, if it rolled into 200, held 200, then bounced, each of the last few times it's bounced off the area here has led to a really fast, significant, quick move to the upside, right? So I didn't know which way it was going to go. So I watched, I waited, right? And then when it had volume to one side of the move, to one side of the consolidation, right? So that was like today when it started to get up to like 205, 206, and to the top of that recent consolidation, then that's when I get interested, right? I let the stock dictate the trade, right? Like I'm not like trying to just guess randomly when the stock is like chopping around consolidation which way it's going to go, or nor am I trying to like guess when it's going to go, right? Because options, when something moves, is equally as important as the direction it moves, right? Because you could be right on direction, wrong on time, and lose money on options. So this is just really something I want to stress, like, especially if you focus on a lot of these patterns like I do. It's like when they get into these consolidations, wait, watch, put those alerts so when they get to the top or the bottom, then you can pull it up. And then if it starts to break with some volume, right, and it really looks like it's about to get going, then you can jump in. And then the pattern will have dictated the trade, right? Instead of you trying to like force your way or force a trade on it, or trying to like dictate your will to it, okay? Um, so, if you like this video and you're looking for more information about swing trading with options, or some of what I talked about with like trading, like day trading with options, which has been some like really nice intraday stuff lately, please follow up with the link in the description of the video for more information on options and play. Hope you have a wonderful night. Stay well, and I will talk to you all tomorrow.